Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss a case of section 148 and this case gives emphasis on that how the reasons should be recorded by the assessing officer and whether it is sufficient on the part of the assessing officer to allege that the income has escaped assessment by simply mentioning that an expenditure is not a revenue expenditure, it is a capital expenditure, so the income of the assessee has escaped assessment. So whether recording of these type of reasons is sufficient to fulfill the jurisdiction of section 148. This issue seems to be hyper technical, but at the end of the video you will come to know that how judicially this writ petition was disposed of by the Bombay High Court in favor of the assessee. This writ petition has been decided in the case of Swiss Re Services India Private Limited versus Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax and other, and this case has been reported in 470 ITR at page number 221. The matter has been decided by Bombay High Court and the date of the judgment is 13th October 2023. In the present case, the assessee has incurred some expenditure on entrance and subscription fees, and the assessment of the assessee was completed under section 143 subsection 3 by accepting the version of the assessee that this expenditure is revenue in nature. But after completing the assessment under section 143 subsection 3, after some time, the learned assessing officer issued the notice to the assessee under section 148 by recording the reasons that this is not a revenue expenditure, this is a capital expenditure and it gives long-term benefit to the assessee. The assessee filed objections to these reasons and said that these expenses are revenue in nature, these expenses are incurred for short-term membership and these expenses are for the business purposes. But the learned assessing officer rejected the objections of the assessee and go ahead with the assessment. So the assessee filed a writ petition in the meantime, and when this writ petition was heard by Bombay High Court, the Bombay High Court said that just recording the reasons that some expenses are not revenue in nature and they are capital in nature, the assessing officer does not absolve himself from the duty of recording the reasons properly, and the Bombay High Court said that in the present case the assessing officer has not mentioned that why these expenses are not revenue in nature, why these expenses are capital in nature, and how these expenses give long-term benefit to the assessee and why these expenses are not revenue in nature. So plainly giving the reasons that these expenses are capital in nature does not fulfill the duty of the assessing officer in recording the reasons in a right perspective. Bombay High Court said that in the present case the assessee has incurred expenses on entrance and subscription fees which was for 1 year, and these expenses were incurred for the business purposes. The Bombay High Court said that the expenses incurred on membership and subscription were recurring in nature, and further Bombay High Court said that in the present case, from the facts and circumstances of the case, it is very clear that the expenses incurred do not add to the profit earning apparatus of the business enterprises, so it cannot be said that these expenses are capital in nature. Friends, if we see this case from the very perspective, then at the face it appears that the reasons are justified. But these type of reasons do not give the power to the assessing officer to reopen the case. The allegation on the assessee should be recorded in right perspective and it should be told to the assessee that why the department is taking the other view and why the department is considering those expenses as capital expenditure which have already been considered as revenue expenditure in the original assessment. So in the present case, this was a case of change of opinion also, and the Bombay High Court said that in the present case it was not told by the assessing officer that why he has treated the expenses capital in nature and not revenue in nature. So the writ petition of the assessee was allowed. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Swiss Re Services India Private Limited versus Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax and others, and this case has been reported in 470 ITR at page number 221. The matter has been decided by Honorable Bombay High Court and the date of the judgment is 13th October 2023. Thank you, friends.